Hello and welcome back, guys. I'm your friend from Chillmakers, and today I'm going to tell you all you need to know about Git. So, one common question that everybody have is what is the difference between Git and GitHub? So, my explanation to that will be just take an example of Android application that is hosted on Play Store. You can download it and then use it on your phone. So, using it your phone is like Git. You are doing changes in that. While GitHub is like the Play Store, you have the app hosted on that and then you download it and use it on your local machine. So going forward, we will talk about Git. So what actually Git is? Git is just an version control system. Now, what is version control system? It's just like, take an example. You are working on a project. You every day you are making changes to it. So, like just for example, you have a project which is 10 days, whose duration is for 10 days. So every day you make a new change. First day change, second day, third day, fourth day, fifth day. So, like for example, on third day you made an error, which you came to encounter in the fifth day. So it isn't like that you are going to undo all the changes like pressing Ctrl Z, Ctrl Z. Maybe you have made 2000 changes, 5000 changes. So what you are going to do is you need to have a version control system. Now we have many types of version control system like Git and some others are also there. So in this video we are going to know everything about Git. So let's get started this. So first of all, you need to create a folder. Like in this computer, in the E drive, I have created a folder named as Git. So afterwards, you need to install Git in it, which I will provide a link which you can easily download and just install it. So while right clicking on this, you will get an option like this: get Git UI here or Git Bash here. Just press on the Git Bash here. So Git Bash login will get started. So here you can see it is starting in the e/git. So this is our present working directory. You can check it out here, pwd egit. So full screening it. Now for just for initializing it, we need to type in command known as git init. The full form it is git initialize. So we have initialized a git repository in this our working directory. So now we will create a file named as example1. So we can use different type of editor in it. Just for example, in this video we are going to take the example of Vim. So typing Vim example 1. As a Vim editor, we need to go into insert mode by pressing I. Then just type like this is the first line. Pressing escape, colon W key for the saving and quitting. Now by pressing ls, we can see the example1 file has been created. We can check it out like by typing cat example1. So we can see the changes here. Now just going into the Git portion, we have commands like Git Status. Now we can see in Git we have many type of branches there. We will talk about it later in the portion of this video. Here we can see the untracked files. Use Git Add File to include what will be committed example1. This example1 is in red portion. What it means is it is unsaved. So what we need to do is type git add then the file name. In this example its name is example1. So just press enter. This file will have a original line ending in the working directory. Now if we type git status now, we can see on branch must no commits yet. Means now this file is coming in green color. What it means is it has been staged for the changes. So going further, what we need to do is git commit then the file name. Now it is asking for a message for it like this. This is our first commit. Then saving, then quitting. It's automatically saved. You can there are other methods also, but we'll just go by this. Now if we type this now git status on branch master nothing to commit working tree clean. Now what we have done in this video is we have created a file named as example. We can see here the file was created. Here this one more file was created .git, which is a hidden file. It's created every time you press this command, which we did in the very beginning, git init. So at that time it created an hidden folder named .git, and then we created a file by the name example1, and in that we created, this is the first line. So guys, moving further in this video, now we will talk about branches. So by looking at its name branch, we can feel that there are many branches to this. Like we are working on the main project, then at a particular point, like we were talking in the example, that we have 10 days to complete a project. In that, on the fifth day we can encounter a problem that was caused in the third day. So to change this, what we can do is we go to back to the third day, and then what we will need to do is create a branch for it. Branch is not usually used in Git. It is actually used in GitHub. But for instance, we can take, like, there are two users using it. So on the same project, like user 1 and user 2. What will they do is user 1 is doing an work, and user 2 is also doing the same work but with different procedure. So what they do is they both created different branches. Just for example, the user 1 is working on the main branch, and then user 2 is creating a different branch and then working on it. It's just like a layer one working on it. Now we will just try it, like git branch. Here we can see only this thing is written star master. What it means is the star refers that we are on this branch, and what is the name of that branch is master. So the syntax is like that: git check out -b, and then a new branch name like layer. So what we did now is switch to a new branch layer. We just now created a new branch named as layer. And now if we will check it, git branch, we have two branches, master and layer. Now we can see that the star is shifted to the layer 1, means we are shifted to the new branch. So let that I am the user 2, and now I am creating a different file, like I'm doing this vim user 2 underscore changes, going to the insert mode and typing here hello, I am new user and I am creating some new files, saving and quitting it. Now we can see here the user 2 changes has been created. So what we will do, the same procedure, git add user 2 changes. Similar, doing the same process, git commit and user 2 changes. Now it will ask for the message on this. What we'll type is like new changes to the layer, saving it, quitting. The new layer has been created. You can see here user 2 changes is already there. And now what we will feel like that if I am the first user, then what I will do is git checkout master, switch to branch master. Now we can see that the second file is removed from this. What we can see is now I am the first user. I don't want that the file that the second user was doing work on, that I don't want to see that. So I just shift to my branch, master branch. And if I create like one more file, vim old user underscore changes, and writing here I am the old user, saving, quitting. Now doing here we will type like git add old user. We have added it. Now git commit old user changes. Ask for the message. Type it old user commit, saving, quitting. It's saved. We can hear the old user changes opening. You can see here, I am the old user. Now, if we just switch the branch, like git checkout, what was our second branch name? I guess it was layer. Now we shifted to the branch. You can check the branch by typing git branch also. We are on the present layer, and now we can see here user 2 changes. I am the new user. I'm creating some new files. So I think everything is clear in this video. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please hit subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you.